Happy Sunday Fun Day. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's grabbing a drink. I'm gonna grab mine. Good morning. Happy Sunday Fun Day. I don't know if I've told anyone what today's Sunday Fun Day is going to be all about, but being that we are July 25th today, I figure Christmas in July is appropriate for today. So I'm glad that you guys are all joining me this morning. Please be sure to say hello. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Oh, morning, Cheryl. I've actually gone back old school with my technology today, so I can actually see the comments now, which is good. So like I said, Sunday Fun Day today, we are celebrating Christmas in July. Why not? I thought that it was a good way to kind of highlight the Christmas items that are in the catalog. And also, it's kind of motivation for me to start planning for December. So I don't know if any of you guys know the true history behind this Christmas in July, but just based on a quick kind of Google search of a whole bunch of other websites and other researchers, it seems that there's documentation of this going back to around 1936 at a girls' summer camp down in the USA, where they actually celebrated and drew pictures and did crafts, which I thought was really interesting. And then as the years went on, I think a lot of us Western countries were, not enjoying the warm weather as much and really wished for cooler weather, which usually is what December brought. And of course, there's other reports of Australia really wanting in on some of the Christmas cheer during cooler months, which of course their winter is kind of now. So anyways, that was kind of fun to dive deep in. But of course, if you go check out the Hallmark site, they too celebrate Christmas in July with new ornaments coming out. And so I think it's just a fun time of year to kind of think about Christmas and, like I said, get planning. So let me share with you kind of what today is going to bring on Sunday Fun Day. I'm just going to turn my camera down. Okay, and hopefully that is tuned in. So of course, that is one way that I am not viewing. Okay, so hopefully it's in camera and not too blurry, although it might be a little not zoomed in enough. Let me just see if I can. Of course, now that I'm live, I can't adjust it, but that's okay. We'll see where this is taking us. So, Tidings of Christmas is what is in the catalog right now, and I'm just gonna pull in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. I guess for those of you who don't know me, I'm Trisha Shayla with Just for the Love of Stamping. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and love to share the crafting and stamping that is available to us. And so this is the Tidings of Christmas collection. There's some fun projects here on page 88, but then we also have the Tidings and Trimmings bundle, which is a stamp set as well as some dies for your die cut. And of course there's other holiday fun stamp sets, and in fact many of you probably have quite a few of them. And so based on what I have, you'll see some projects being made this morning using that and kind of posted all morning. But to start, I did just want to share with you what that stamp set looked like, because it is super cute. And then, of course, some projects. Now, I have a funny feeling these might all be backwards, so you'll have to let me know how they show for you on the screen. But here is a super cute card. You may have seen this before. I think I did this around Mother's Day. I am obsessed with making framed cards and then, gifting gift cards within it. And so this particular holiday gift card was made cute using this particular stamp set, Tidings and Trimmings, because it's got the fun to and from somewhere. Here it is down here. But anyways, that was what we used for this. And then of course, this is just some other stitching dies that we have to help make it look super cute. So there is one card. And then I just wanted to share, I did an event with Brenda and she designed a couple of projects using the same stamp set, which was super cute. Here's a little pocket card that lifts up, and of course I probably have put too much glue on there so it's not sliding in and out as nice as I'd like it, but there we go. Isn't that super cute pocket card? I haven't done one of those in a while. And then here's a cute little envelope with a little greeting card that pops in and out, just using our ombre little pouches. But again, using that stamp set, super cute. And then I'm working on some tags and other fun things. Again, using this Tidings of Christmas sampler, that whole paper collection. And then our color combos today will be using the Cherry Cobbler, Evening Evergreen, Soft Succulent, and Gray Granite. So join me, follow along today on Just for the Love of Stamping Facebook page, where you'll see kind of the completed projects to give you some ideas for stamping. And not just stamping, for organizing, because like I said, this Christmas in July is more than just kind of, you know, celebrating Christmas spirit, taking in on deals that most stores have, but it's also about getting organized. And so I want to help you guys plan for the next few months, because there is only 5 months till Christmas. Not only plan, but start thinking about your decorations. Maybe do an inventory. Maybe start planning on what you want to make for decorations. Kind of think about each room of the house. And then, of course, we want to compile our crafting list, what it is that we want to craft, and then what we want to bake, perhaps what cards we want to make, because as you can see, there's so many fun and different ways you can make crafts. So start thinking about maybe your family Christmas card you want to send out. And most of all, start making a list of those movies you want to watch, because nothing helps celebrate the holidays more than watching some of those historical movies, or maybe even something new. I'm sure there's some Hallmark fans out there, so make sure you let me know where my Hallmark movie fans are. But anyways, like I said, join me today and follow along as we share some tidings of Christmas. Take care, everyone.